I'm sure the former president would be shocked to find out the network that he always says is fake news, CNN, may have just released the straight scoop, at least when it comes to gold. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. In a recent article, Crystal Herr, markets reporter for CNN Business, issued a glowing review of gold's ongoing bull run and suggested there may be more to come. Opening with a declaration that, quote, the 2024 monster gold rally is picking up steam, CNN crowed about gold's 30% price appreciation so far this year, and how the metal has, quote, outperformed the benchmark S&P 500 index's 20% gain. Herr also suggested the primary reason for central bank gold hoarding is de-dollarization, saying gold's price rally this year has in part been driven by a jump in demand from central banks, including in China, Turkey, and India, who have added to their gold piles this year to diversify away from the US dollar. Crystal Herr also referenced the uncertainty that can motivate traders to choose gold as a safe haven. She suggested rising unemployment and the recent drop in the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index by nearly 7 points may be additional drivers of gold investment right now. On that note, Herr quoted Christina Hooper, Chief Global Market Strategist at Invesco, who said, "There is a nagging concern on the part of investors that perhaps this 50 basis point cut really is a crisis cut and there's more weakness in the U.S. economy than can be seen right now." Suggesting that uncertainty could be a good thing for gold, Crystal Herr specifically cited J.P. Morgan's recently declared 2025 price target of $2,850 per ounce. This may be a shocker. Herr and CNN went as far as to side with gold in the debate on whether gold or U.S. Treasuries is the superior safe haven asset. In a previous economic update, I discussed the conclusion drawn recently by Bloomberg economists that gold now was outperforming U.S. Treasuries as a safe haven asset. In her piece, Crystal Herr underscored that idea, noting, "The Fed's rate-cutting campaign is also increasing the allure of gold over Treasuries, which compete as a haven. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield was at roughly 3.7% as of 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday, September 24th, below the more than 4% return on bonds that investors were able to scoop up just a couple of months ago." Herr also showed a great deal of love to silver, highlighting the metal's 34% rise so far this year and clarifying that it actually has outperformed gold in 2024. She also referenced a recent report by strategists at Citi suggesting surging demand for solar energy and electric vehicles in China, along with central bank rate cuts, could provide additional momentum to silver prices. According to Sprott, a global asset manager specializing in natural resources, silver's industrial demand now accounts for more than half of its total demand. In her piece, CNN's Crystal Herr also quoted Will Ryan, chief executive of Grant Shares, who insisted there's really at this stage no way to think about gold other than positively. Often as we keep you updated, we mention that mainstream media isn't keeping up where gold is concerned. Now it appears everybody is on the same page. Until next time.